Good morning and welcome to day 27 of the Morning Movement Challenge. Today we have a simple seated yoga practice that can be done even without a yoga mat on busy mornings. We will start in a cross-legged seat, hands on the knees. As you inhale, lift your heart, pull your shoulders back, look up. Exhale around the back, drop chin to chest. Inhale to lift your heart, pull the shoulders back, and exhale around. Continue this seated cat and cow with your breath. Gently waking up the spine. One more inhale, lift your heart, and then circle your torso to the side, around the back, and circle to the other side, making torso circles over the hips, really stretching the back in all directions. And change direction and circle to the other side, really stretching the back in all directions. Bring your body back to center. With inhale, reach your arms out and up, stretch up. Exhale, twist to the left. Release your left hand behind you and look back over the left shoulder. Full breath into the rib cage. Keep your right hand on your left knee and reach your left arm over the head into side bend. Deep full breath. Slowly release. Inhale, reach your arms up again. Exhale, twist to the right. Look back over the right shoulder. Left hand stays down on the knee at the side bend, reaching your right arm up and over the head. Slowly release. Inhale, reach your arms up again. Exhale, release your arms down. Straighten your left leg out to the side and pull your right heel towards your groin. Keep your left foot flexed with toes pointing up. Lean sideways to your straight leg. Keep your left hand on your ankle or shin. Right hand can stay down on the knee or thigh, or you can reach that right arm up and over the head, adding a side stretch. Find your variation, stay there and breathe. Slowly release, place your right hand behind you, point your left foot, then lift your hips up and reach your left arm back. little wild sink for breath. Release back to seated. Keep your left foot pointed and bend forward, kind of in the center between your straight and bent leg. You can gently rock your upper body side to side. Find a good stretch on your hips, hamstrings, inner thighs. Lift your upper body and change sides. Pull your left heel towards you, straighten your right leg out to the side with right foot flexed. Lean into side bend, and just like on the other side, either keep your left hand down on the leg or reach it up and over the head. Just one more breath. And then place your left hand behind you. Lift your hips up, reach your right arm back. Take a breath. And release back to seated. Point your right foot and lean forward. Find a stretch on the hips. Stay still, gently rock side to side. Lift your upper body. Straighten both legs out in front of you. For a seated twist, place your right foot outside of your left thigh. Pull the knee closer towards your chest with your left arm. Find a nice long spine and then twist and look back over your right shoulder. For a deeper spinal twist, you can also hook your left elbow on the outside of your right knee, or just keep hugging the knee into the chest. Slowly release and gently twist to the other side. Come back to center and switch legs. Place your left foot on the outside of your right thigh. Start with hugging your knee in. Twist and look back over your left shoulder. And then see if you want to stay here or place your right elbow on the outside of the left knee. Deeper twist. Slowly release and gently twist to the other side. Come back to center. Find a cross-legged sit. Gently tilt your head side to side a few times, stretching the sides of the neck. Keep your shoulders relaxed, down, away from the ears. And then drop the chin down and circle your head in one direction. Slow, gentle circles. And change direction, a few more circles. Bring your head back to center, close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. I hope you feel better after this short, gentle stretch. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 28. Bye!